Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, I will be telling you about the manager's commission. You know what? Manager commission is always considered as a charge against profit. It is charge against profit, therefore it is shown always in profit and loss account. Similarly, loan, which is interest on loan, it is also considered as charge against profit. Apart from this, rent paid, it also considered as charge against profit. We have already seen the difference between charge against profit and appropriation out of profit. So whatever is a charge against profit, it is always shown on the debit side of profit and loss account. For example, if it is my profit and loss account, debit, credit, all my charge against profits are shown here. What are the charge against profits which I have written above? So you will be showing them all on the debit side of P&L account, like IOL, like rent, like manager's commission. And after charging all these three things, then only the net profit will be calculated, and that will be transferred to my P&L appropriation accounts credit side. So these three terms are very important, and these three are considered as charge against the profit. So they are always treated outside the P&L appropriation account, and after treating them, the net profit which is so calculated will be transferred to my P&L appropriation account for further calculation. First thing. Second thing is, if I come back to the topic, which is manager's commission. So we have already studied manager's commission in class 11th also. Whenever a manager is paid commission, there are always two cases in case of manager's commission, which means it is after charging all such commissions, and one case is such commission. So whenever I talk about before charging such commission, then in that case it is always net profit into, or if it is not understood, I'll write the full form. It is always net profit into rate upon 100. For example, if it is saying that manager's commission is 10% of net profit, then it will be manager's commission is equals to net profit into 10 by 100. So this is a case where the commission has to be charged before charging any such commission. If the question is saying that it is after charging any such commission, then the formula gets changed. It becomes net profit into rate upon 100 plus rate. Don't forget to do that in case of after charging such commission. For example, if they are saying manager's commission is 10% of net profit after charging such commission, or after charging commission, then in that case straight away you will write down net profit into 10 upon 100 plus 10. That is your net profit into 10 over 110 will be considered as my manager's commission. And if the percentage is 5%, then how you are going to calculate the manager's commission if the percent is 5%? Then in that case, again, net profit into 5 upon 105 will be considered as a way to calculate the manager's commission. So the funda of this video was just to tell you that manager's commission, rent and interest on loan, they are always treated before profit and loss appropriation account and are considered as charge against profits. So therefore they are treated before taking into the P&L appropriation account. And if I talk about specifically about manager's commission, so manager's commission is always calculated in two ways: after charging such commission and before charging such commission. When I say before charging, so it is always taken net profit into 10 by 100 or rate by 100, and if I say after charging such commission, then it is always rate upon 100 plus rate. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.